Okay, you click for screen options to know more about each um, button on the website. On the admin side, what you do is that you go to screen options on top, and I've just clicked on dashboard before, and you can see extra options at a glance, activity, stats by. So there are extra options that you can see from here, and you can tick it or untick it if you want them to show here, for example. So I'll just untick the ones I don't want to be shown. So for example, at a glance, if I don't want it to be shown on my screen, I can just go to screen options, click on it, and I can just find at a glance like here, and I can untick it and it won't show. So anything that I have ticked above on screen options will be showing on my screen. So I'll just tick it for now. uh, Welcome as well, that's fine. So if you go to home, so that's fine. If you go to jetpack now, so we don't have any screen options for this one, but if you go to post, they have screen option, so it will just tell you what you want here to be shown for the post. So I have ticked everything, so I have fixed it to show items, 20 items per page, 20 posts per page. And for example, I can change it to list view, so you can see the view is excerpt view right now. I'll just apply on it and it will be like a list view. And um, if I want text to be shown with the post as well, I can just go to screen options, and I can just click to excerpt view, and it will show me the text as well that's inside the article with the headings. So you can just tick or untick anything that you don't want. For example, I want to remove the categories. So this is a category of, I've made two posts. One category is Easter, another one is making a logo design. So I'll just, if I don't want this section to be shown, I'll just untick this and it's gone. Or I can untick author as well. So it's up to me what I want. So you can just, this is one of the trick that you can fix things that you want to be shown on the screen. It is the same with every item, so you can have a look and see what, like if you go to WooCommerce, you can just see what you want to fix. So that's how it works.